Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Hope y'all are doing well today. So today we are going to be making some peach cobbler cupcakes. This is something new for me. I've never even tried peach cobbler. So these peaches that I have in this jar I got from my local farm. Very minimum ingredients, which I love. So I'm starting with putting my peaches and the juice in my heated skillet. I am cutting them into thirds. Some of them I just cut in half, but I'm cutting most of them in thirds. I'm gonna let it heat up and I'm gonna start adding my other ingredients.
Joanna, making on the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna?
Once I have all my ingredients in, I'm gonna give it a good stir. I want everything to be well incorporated, nice and mixed in. And then I'm gonna let it heat up until the juice starts to thicken.
How you gonna do me like Drogba?
So guys, while that's simmering, I'm gonna get started on my cake mix, which all you have to do is follow the directions on your cake mix box. Whatever cake mix you decide to buy, just follow those steps.
Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. You like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna.
Y'all, look how good that looks. It smells even better. So this is nice and thick. This is the consistency you want. And now we can move on to the next step. Okay guys, this is optional but highly recommended. I'm adding a little of my juice into my cake batter. Mix that in and then we can get ready to assemble our cupcakes. Okay guys, so what I'm doing is I'm filling the cupcake papers up halfway. I put a little too much in mine, but make sure you fill it up halfway or a little under half. And then we're gonna add peaches to each one and a little bit of the juice before covering them with more cupcake batter.
Feeling like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, all I'm playing on it. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. They want you, just put money
like I said, I put a little too much in mine, but it's okay. We're going to put them in the oven. My oven has been preheated to 350, and I'm going to bake these for about 20 minutes. Also, those were my bigger cupcake pans. I had batter left over, so I added some to those. I'm adding my icing, and then I'm taking some of that leftover filling and I'm putting it on top. And this is optional. I just decided to add a little more of the juice or syrup, whatever you want to call it. But guys, look how good that looks. And here's a look at one of the ones I made in my large cupcake pan. To me, it just reminds me of little cakes. So if you want bigger ones, use your larger cupcake pans. And then I cut into it so that you can get a look at the middle. And yeah, it was delicious. Nice and moist. I like the color that the mixture gave the cake batter. It gave it like a cinnamon color. Guys, let me know if you decide to try this. All ingredients will be listed below. Thanks for watching. Bye.